one other thing which I would recommend, right, and I would request if you're really interested in pursuing a career in design, is to try talking to students who come from different institutes of design.
Okay.
The reason being that the kind of portfolio that, let's say, an ID looks for is very different than the kind of portfolio that a design village would look for, or the kind of portfolio that Srishti would look for, right? Every university has their own sense of a portfolio, right? So your portfolio, first of all, should be flexible enough that you can contextualize it to a particular institution that you're going for an interview. That is the first thing, right? Second thing is, I think in portfolio, again, building on that same thing, knowledge, skill, and aptitude, which I talked about, right? um, People would want to see, not just so the so I have done a lot of I have done fair amount of portfolio reviews in my life, right from hiring to when I was running my design school to building things to everything. um, the biggest problem that I face with portfolios is when it becomes monotonous, right? Let's say just because you did 20 sketches in the class doesn't mean you have to put 20 sketches in that portfolio.
Hmm.
If you're good at sketching, I can know that by seeing just two of your sketches.
Correct.
So so a portfolio exercise has to be seen from the perspective of the reviewer,
Hmm.
not the student.
Hmm.
When you see it from the perspective of the student, we have this desire to put everything in the portfolio because we have done it. Yes, I want to showcase my work, so I will put everything out there. But the moment you think from a perspective of a reviewer, you will realize that if I can show them diversity, if I can show them my skill set, if I can
Hmm.
show them the application of my knowledge that I have gathered over the years, that's a great portfolio for me,
Hmm.
right?
Okay.
So bring this perspective shift, that think that what the reviewer will be seeing when they see my portfolio, right? Can a particular piece in my portfolio spark that interest in my reviewer to have a conversation with me? That should be your thought process.